Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had an amazing holiday, but now we are literally getting ready for a whole new holiday, a whole new year. I'm so glad to finally be done with 2020. Like, can we just throw the whole year away? Like, literally, this was one of the hardest years for all of us. I would want to say, like, it was just a horrible year all around, but we are finally at literally the end of it, and I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to see what 2021 has to bring for all of us. Hopefully a lot better things than what this year had. But today I'm gonna be doing a New Year's Eve look for you guys, and I'm gonna be using a super dope line that I have been obsessed with lately. It is called Maven Beauty. I don't know if some of you guys have not heard of it. It is a fairly new line. I think it came out around October. It is sold exclusively at fashionnova.com, and it is super inexpensive. However, the products are bomb. So we're gonna put them to the test, and we're gonna be doing a whole New Year's Eve look with their line. So without any further, let me stop talking so much. We're gonna get straight into the video. I have completely changed my brow routine, so let me know if you guys want to see an updated brow routine, because the way that I do my brows now is so different from last year. Like, I used to drag my brows like almost to my hairline, which, oh my god, a lot of you guys used to comment that, and I just ignored it. I didn't really care, but looking back now, I'm like, girl, like, no, like, they were super freaking long. But anyways, let me know in the comments if you guys do want that tutorial, and I will for sure do it for you guys. So the first thing that we're gonna be doing, since I want to do like a super kind of dramatic, you know, eye, I'm going to be starting off doing my eyes first, and then we're gonna move on to the base. So I'm gonna be trying out the Maven Beauty Basic Beat Cream Shadow. So what I've heard about these cream shadows is that you can mix it with your concealer and use it as an eye primer. So that's exactly what we're gonna be doing. So let me just show you guys. It pumps out like this. Super creamy consistency, as you can see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pump a little bit of that on both eyes. And I'm gonna take the Maven Beauty angled brush, and I'm gonna just blend that in and then apply my concealer right over that. Ooh, this is very pigmented. I think I didn't even need that much. This is very light. It's gonna make our eyeshadow pop. Like, it's gonna bring out the colors and make them more vibrant, which is exactly what we want. So next, I'm just gonna take my concealer and just apply a little bit on top of that. This is super duper ready for some eyeshadow. So Maven Beauty has all these little like quad eyeshadows, which are super pretty. We're gonna be diving into a couple of them today, so let me just see here. So first, I'm gonna be going into this Bold Blend Basic Beat eyeshadow quad. And these are just your regular like basic mattes that are perfect for a transition color or even like a blush. This one is so pretty right here. So we're just gonna be going into, I'm gonna be mixing these two together, and that's gonna be our transition shade. So we're just gonna take that right on the outer V. Look how pigmented these are. Like, you really do not even need a lot on the brush. Instead of like creating a huge palette, which is terrible to travel with, they have like all these minis that you could just literally just throw them in your purse and you're good to go. Because I hate traveling with like huge palettes. They always end up breaking, and it's just a mess. These are super what's the word I'm looking for? Convenient. They're super convenient because you just throw them in there and they don't even take that much space. Next, I'm gonna take this matte brown shade right here, and we're just gonna go right in the same area that we just applied that previous color, but we're not gonna blend it up as much. I really love these eyeshadows. They're so easy to blend. And I'm just adding a little more of that brown just to make it more deeper. Next, I'm gonna dive into this Define Basic Beat palette, and I'm gonna be mixing this dark brown shade with this black shade. I want to keep this right on the outer V and then blend it up into the crease, but I'm not gonna bring it all the way into the inner part of the eye. I'm just gonna keep this on the outer part and just blend that out. And like I said, be very careful because these eyeshadows are so pigmented that you don't want to like put too much on your brush and then you have a smoky eye, literally. It's crazy because even dealing with a black eyeshadow, I barely got any fallout. So we literally could have just done our base first, but I just always like to do my eyes first just in case, because you never know. So next we're gonna be trying the Asteroid Tears, and these are liquid glitter eyeshadows. Girl, this is perfect for New Year's Eve. And let me just show you the swatches. Look at that. That is so freaking pretty. The next shade is in Super Moon, and it's like this super pretty gold. Look at that, so freaking pretty. First I'm gonna apply that Super Moon shade, and then we're gonna do the Aurora on top. So I'm just gonna go right on the lid and kind of create like a cut crease, if you'd say, but not really. These are so pretty, guys, and they don't feel super sticky or super wet. So next I'm gonna take that lighter champagne shade, and I'm just gonna keep this like right in the center of the eye. So right there, and then just blend it out into the gold. I'm gonna take the Draped Up highlighter. Just look at this, guys. So pretty. I'm sorry, my nails just dug in there, but such a pretty highlight. Run that on brow bone, just like that. You don't even need a lot of this because this is pigmented. The waterproof liquid eyeliner, and this is in the shade Sangria. The eyeliner comes to activate it. You just gotta pull that off, pull this off, and you just twist, and it comes out like that. You guys know how I like my eyeliner, and I want this to be super thick. These are so easy to apply. They just like glide on. I love the fact that this color is more of like a brown burgundy kind of shade. It's not black, so it's not gonna look as dramatic. Girl, this wing could cut you, seriously. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of my concealer and just clean that up. And I'm just gonna take Maven's angled eyeliner brush for that. And I'm just gonna run that. This cat eye is intense. So I went ahead of camera and just finished my base completely. Now we're just gonna finish off the eyes. Just gonna go back in with the liquid glitter shadow in the shade Aurora, and we're just going to apply that right to the inner corner of the eye to make that pop. And I'm just gonna use that same brush that it comes with because it has such a fine tip that you could just literally apply it just like that. How pretty that is. Next, we're gonna be smoking out the lower lash line. So I'm gonna go back into that Bold Blend eyeshadow quad, and I'm just gonna go into this shade right here, and we're just gonna be applying that right to the lower lash line. This look is coming together, honey. Next, I'm gonna be using this dark brown shade right here, and I'm using that on that angled brush. I'm just gonna run that super close to my lash line, just to kind of define that. So now it's time to highlight our face. I'm gonna take that same highlighter Draped Up, and we're just gonna bathe in it, literally. So first, I'm gonna start by applying a little bit of it to the bridge of the nose. Like that. And a little bit on the tip. Ooh. Oh my god. Literally blinding right now. I'm gonna take that right above the brow, just a little bit. So I just went ahead and applied some lashes, and this just took the look to a whole new level. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips. For lipstick, I'm gonna be using the shade Sus, and it's this super pretty, kind of like nude pinky lip. Ooh, so pretty. So you guys already know that I gotta throw a little bit of gloss on that, so I'm just gonna take my little gloss and just apply a little bit of that on top. Oh my god, yes. All right guys, and this is the completed look. I am obsessed with how this look came out. Literally, I'm gonna be doing this look on New Year's Eve because girl, it's so pretty. It literally just draws attention right into your eyes, and everything else is just kept nice and soft. I really hope you guys like this look. If you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to check out Maven Beauty, available exclusively at fashionnova.com. Make sure you check out my description box for the links of all the products that I used in today's video. Let me know in the comments any ideas on any videos that you guys want to see from me on this channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.